Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your purchase history in Roblox. Now, whether you have an iPhone, an Android, or you're on a computer, you can always see your entire purchase history and filter it and sort it. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, I'm on my iPhone, and if you're on an iPhone or Android, if you open up the Roblox app and tap on Robux at the top right, you'll be able to see your balance at the top and the ability to top up your balance. However, for whatever reason, Roblox decided to not put this information in the app-based version. So if you are on a phone or you're used to using the Roblox app, open up a web browser instead. And on that web browser, we're going to type in roblox.com and hit go. At the bottom, make sure to tap on Continue in Browser. Enter in your email address, your phone number, and your password. Let me try my Face ID again. And log into your account. You can see on here, in this case, I needed to use my Authenticator account. So let me open up my Authenticator to be able to log in. Just copy that code and then paste it and hit verify. Keep in mind, you might get an email code or a text message code. After you've logged into your account, again, tap Continue at Browser at the bottom. Tap on the Robux icon at the top right. Now you can say new thing, My Transactions. Tap on My Transactions. And here is a summary of all of your transactions. It defaults for the past 30 days, but you can choose the past year. And instead of summary for the transactions, you can type in currency purchases or purchases, and it will show you all of your previous purchases. You can go through and see the exact amount that you paid for this purchase along with the date, etc. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.